Okay, this is my Moodle page for this class. So in the beginning you will find this diagram. Later, in case that you need the map, where to find the classroom when we are in the classroom. Here you will find the conference room. If we move to another room, I will change the map. Here you will find your Zoom link. Here you'll find the announcements. I will generally post one announcement every week to tell you what you have to do the following week. Although it's just very easy to follow the what we are going to do every class. Here you will find the syllabus. I will keep making small changes until the end, until we start the class, and maybe a week later, based on the small changes that we have. So, for example, right now we don't know when will be the final exam and what time, but I will, as soon as I have the information, I will modify it. Here you can find the timetable. Here you can find the book review and all the information about the book review. If you go to any of these places, you can find all the information. You have samples, you have how you should write the book review. Here you find in the beginning you have the introduction, and in the introduction we are going to have a diagnostic test. The most important part of this diagnostic test is that you don't have to study, and this is not going to be graded. I just want that you know how much you know. If you have to study a lot, if you have to study a little bit. So some of you are science students, so you will find this very easy. Some of you can come from business, from literature, from psychology, and say, okay, do I remember what I studied in high school? Do I don't remember? Then here, if you see, this will be in January 14. Later, in January 21, we will have this class, and also in January 21, we will talk about the scientific method. So, and we will talk two classes per two topics, or two to three topics per class. So here you find the date. So again, you find all the information here. Here you find, as I said before, to what you have to do before the class and during the class. So here, if you click, you can go to all the video clips or the lectures. Here, as I said before, you can download here the questions, the multiple choice questions. So in a second, you will see that I will open a multiple questionnaire there. Here you will find again something very similar. And here is your summary. Here is what we're going to do during the class. So here are the quizzes. If you click there, you will find how long it will take each quiz and the date. So all the quizzes, or the majority of the quizzes, will be and they will be during the classroom, and in the beginning you will have multiple attempts. So don't worry if you know biology, if this is not your field, you will have multiple attempts in the beginning while you learn how to take the tests, how to take these quizzes. Mm-hmm. Uh, here and here you will have again something very similar for January 21, the scientific method. You will have a video to watch, the video lectures, questions, and again a quiz that we will solve during the class. And during every class it will be the same idea. For example, January 28th, you have exercise to do before class, and during the class you have, for example, a quiz, and later you have a group discussion about selective breeding, and we will talk about the domestication of dogs, and pretty cool things about how we're growing meat in the labs, and if this is a good idea or not. Also, we are going to have talk about the Greek philosophers, and again, same idea, thing that you have to do before class, and you will have here that you will do during the class. And finally, the last thing that you will do in January 28th, we will have a second section of Greek philosophers, and you will have take a quiz here. Later, you will go into the next class in week number 4 that you will have to the same organization, and it will continue like that. If you have any more doubts, just let me know, and I will and send me an email, and I can be more clear. Have a good day. Bye.